How to insert reference citation in MS Word with square bracket. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open MS Word and at the top, go to Insert and click on Insert Citation. From the drop-down menu, choose the option of Add New Source and then after a prompt will appear on your screen. Simply provide all the information about your citation, choose the type of source, and then click on OK. Once the citation has been created on your Word document, to change its style, select your reference. At the top in the ribbon, go to References and go to Style. From there, you can choose any one style which you like. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.